So these are very, very harmful. So without knowledge, we cannot cheating our emotion. Isn't it? So wisdom can cheat then our emotion. So knowledge, very important. But knowledge without practice, without experience, is like you see the kasa, shallow.
Like currency notes.
Currency without sort of backing, then currency not much also the value. With sound economy, then currency more sort of weight. So similarly, knowledge with experience, then it truly becomes something, kasoda, something living. Just knowledge, lip service, not much use. Okay. So, the study, very important. Thank you.
Yep. Namaste. My question is, you've said before, love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. My question is, can you be a little bit more specific about what you mean by this statement? And also, what is the relevance and the role of love for humanity and the future that we're heading into right now?
Irrespective whether religious minded or not, we are human beings. We are social animal. Now the highly developed technology with the help of science, now power of destruction is immense. Although war is part of human history, but ancient time, not that much destructive. Now the power of destruction is immense. So therefore, now we really need compassion on the basis of sense of oneness of human being. Now that, if we want happy world, peaceful world, peace will not come from prayer. I think over few thousand years, we always pray. Buddhists pray to Buddha. Also Judo-Christian or Islam also, you see, pray God, Allah, peace. I think not satisfactory result come. Sometimes you see people fighting each other, killing each other, pray to God. I think then God may be confused. His blessing should go this side or that side. So now, I think I always say, if Buddha come, or Jesus Christ come, or Muhammad come, if you ask, please bring peace on this planet, then I think they may say, who created violence? Not by God. If sort of violence created by God, then we have to ask God. But since the problem, violence, we created, so it is our responsibility, not pray to God, but through our effort to reduce this violence. Family level, community level, then finally global level. Now I think we, human beings, I think although the 20th centuries and now 21st century, I think reality much changed. the interdependency, now much kasota alive, right? In ancient time, different nation, more or less self-sufficient. Now today, East, their future depend West. West, their future depend East. Similarly, South depend North, North depend East. And then on top of that, the climate condition, global warming, no national boundary, no religious boundary. So now that's the new reality. So now the old thinking, century old our thinking, whenever some different views or different interests come, then we think how to solve this by force. That's old thinking. Now today's world, heavily interdependent. You see, through force, you cannot solve a problem. The problem, the proper way to solving problem is through dialogue. So I usually describe this 21st century should be century of dialogue. So different interest, different view always remain there. So long we human beings remain there, differences always there. So the only thing is, they also human brothers sisters. We also human brothers sisters. We have to solve this problem through mutually agreeable solution. That's the only way. So thinking use force is outdated. So sometimes I feel the use force, mobilize people is part of the feudal system. The feudal system, kings or queens, or even sometimes religious leaders, you see, then they mobilize army, disregard individual's life. Now today's world is a democratic world. So some individual, you see, go different way, then we call totalitarian system, totalitarian, bad. So they become like king or queen and give order. So basically, democratic sort of world. So they, one individual give order, thousands of people go to war, kill other, is, I think, old thinking. The thinking of feudal system. So that outdated, I feel. Now we are democratic sort of, the time of democracy. So people are ruler. So individual soldier, they love their own life. One single person order, go to war, kill other, and your life should sacrifice. I don't think. That's old thinking. So only thing, through talk, through dialogue, try to find mutually agreeable solution. That's the only way.
Mm-hmm. So we'll have the last question, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry.
Your Holiness, I'm a common guy from Albania and I came here to take an advice from you. How can I help a person, Albania? How can I help a person?
Albania.
How can I help a person who is stuck in his ignorance, who does every day waste his life doing nothing, just watching television, alcohol, smoking, and he doesn't allow help from outside? How can I help this mind to see that what he's doing is wasting his precious human rebirth? And I have a favor to ask. Can I shake your hand as a token of thank you?
Hold on. I think firstly, as I mentioned earlier, the individual level is we can share other people. It's a real peace come through some change of mental attitude. And then, some cases I feel NGO for health, for you can use, I think, name inner peace of mind. You see, not talking about religion. Simply, you see, use our intelligence and anger. What use anger just to destroy our own peace of mind? See, through anger, the problem will increase. Only through understanding, mutual equitable solution, mutual respect. That's the only way. So you can develop some kind of NGO. First day, even 10 people, 15. You see, you can develop some kind of organization. And then carry, should not think about name or publicity. Sincerely, then more and more people, I think, appreciate. Then your work become more effective. And then occasionally, some article in newspaper and some talks in television, in media people. I think that's the way which I do. So we are same. We are same. Okay. Shake hand.
Thank you. I give you the help.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, now, even, I think about 1,000, right? 1,000 human, 1,500 human brothers, sisters. Please think, we all, as a part of the humanity, we all have the same responsibility, and also one's own future, humanity, happy, peace, we individual also get maximum benefit. If humanity, more fear, more distrust, then we individual also suffer. So I usually describe taking care of oneself is right. So, but we should be wise selfish rather than foolish, narrow-minded selfish. Okay. So, thank you.
Somebody